how to save money on DoorDash Fee. If you guys are wanting to do that, you may follow up these steps. So let me just go ahead and explain how you can do it. So there are different methods you can apply up if you would like to save your fees on DoorDash. So one of the method you can apply up is you can browse offers and deals from your favorite restaurants and local businesses all in one place from Office Help on the home page or Browse tab. You can even pre-use the happy hour deals carousel from 2 p.m. to 5 p.m. every day to save 25% or more on orders from local restaurants. Otherwise, we have other options like bundle and save on two orders with Double Dash. With Double Dash, you can place an order from the second store with $0 delivery fee. For example, if you order an entry at a local restaurant, then add a dessert from a nearby ice cream shop, go to your meal without paying additional delivery fee. It is one of the easiest way you can do so. Otherwise, we have options like skip the fees with pickup optional in for pickup to save on delivery and service fees, skipping the line and picking up your order as soon as it is ready. Dash Pass members also get 5% back in DoorDash credits on eligible pickup orders to save money on your future orders. So if you do not have subscription, you can just go ahead and subscribe to DoorDash subscription for more offers and deals out there. Apart from that, we have using SNAP or EBT benefits for eligible groceries. Shop from over 6,000 stores nationwide on DoorDash, including ALDI, Albertsons, Safeway, major and participating 7-Eleven stores that offer SNAP EBT payments on the platform. So you can just go ahead and use those options available within groceries as well, and you can use them in order to look out for different offers. So just go ahead and do so. Otherwise, you can look out for get $0 delivery fees with Dash Pass. If you have Dash Pass, which is 9.99 month, as I told earlier, if you get subscription, you will be having more options available. So you can just go ahead and look out for Dash Pass. It is 9.99 per month or $96 per year. Dash Pass members can save 5% per eligible order on average. And we have a very good option, which is earning cash on every purchase. So DoorDash, if you've already created a DoorDash account, DoorDash Rewards Mastercards unlocks values and rewards for card members with unlimited cashback on everyday purchase, both on and off on the DoorDash platform. So these are some of the methods you can apply up in order to do so. So just I hope this video was helpful. Don't forget to give it a like and subscribe for more tips and tutorials.